Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm making this video out of a frustration I faced as I was trying to pay for CapCut PRO. I'm just going to click on this project I'm working on. I'm not going to click a new project. So I've been trying to pay for CapCut PRO and it's not working for me, which was exhausting. Imagine having your own money and wanting to pay for subscription and you can't seem to access it. It was quite frustrating and I decided to say, okay, let's make this video. Maybe someone might need it who is actually going through the same thing I'm going through. I want to know how to bypass and get their video out from CapCut. So I'm just going to click on text and caption my video. I'm going to click on auto caption. So for those of you who don't know what auto caption is, it's those texts that play in your video while you're trying to make a video. Okay guys, so it has finished captioning. When I clicked on the close caption, my screen recorder actually stopped recording. I don't know why it happens that way. I think CapCut is becoming wise. This is the caption I'm talking about, the text playing on the screen. If you've captioned your video and you want to, you can go into here and quickly edit your video. But me, I'm not going to be editing it because this was a text-to-speech which was created here on CapCut, and since it was AI that created it on CapCut here, they should be able to get it right, which they always do. This is not the first time I'm trying them, so I'm not going to be editing it. As you can see, when you look at here down here, you see that to generate caption you have to pay for the Pro. Not that you cannot generate it, you can generate it, but when you are trying to export your video, that is when they will now ask you that you have to pay. But I will show you how to bypass this, because one day I was creating a video and I finished editing my caption. If you've ever edited caption, you will know that is daunting. And I wanted to export and they said no, you cannot export. I felt as if they were stabbing me in the chest. And I was like, what is this? How do I go around this? So I will show you what I did in a moment, what I actually did to export my video that day. So right now, these are the captions. You can go ahead and click on one text box and click on style here. You can decide to choose already made templates. Or you can decide to style it yourself. Let me click on fonts and choose a different font. So these are all the fonts they have. They have a lot of fonts, but me, I love to use the elegant font. Let's change it to elegant font. And let's go back to templates to remove what we've done already. So I'm going to click on this none to remove it and go back to font. And I'll click on the elegant font. And if I come over to style, I will click on the style I want to use, whichever style of how I want my text to appear. If I want it to appear this way, I will pick that, whatever style, but I will just keep it minimal. Let me just click on this style, and you can decide to change your brown colors, stroke your text, glow it up, add background to your text, add shadow, curve your text. You can decide to curve the text. Yeah, but I'm going to take it out. You can decide to add spacing to your text, character spacing and line spacing. If I add character spacing, you see how it expands it. But I'm going to take it back to 0. And after I'm done with that, I'll just go over to animation. And I'm going to come over here and click on caption. I can decide to use a border pop-up because this is the one I usually love to use. If I'm not using the custom templates, this is the one I usually use to use the highlights each words I'm reading, because sometimes the pop-up might be confusing for some people. I can decide to just caption it for only this high hits that is here, and I will turn off the apply to all auto caption. Or you might decide to leave it on if it's the same style of captioning you want to use for all your text. Let me uncheck the apply to auto captions so it doesn't apply to all of them, and I will check my box. Let's go to the second one. Let's style it with the template. We're going to pick this template.
I'm Milo the mouse.
So you can also choose to change the fonts that the template came with. Say we want to use italics. You see it has changed the font it came with. After doing that and you're set to go, if you look up here, there's the export button up here. If I click on export, it's going to do this and tell me that I'm using a Pro feature. And if I try to upgrade, it's not going to allow me upgrade because I am in Nigeria here and ad does not pay for international subscription. How do I export my video since it's asking me to pay? Every time I click on export, it's saying that I should pay. And I need this auto caption to make my video more accessible to more people and more visually appealing. This is what I do. I slide down my screen, and if you look here, you will see the screen recorder. I record the screen. I can't be able to record it now because I'm recording my phone screen to make this tutorial. If you don't see your screen recorder option, if you slide down your screen, what you should do is to go over to your settings and search for screen recorder. And once you find screen recorder, you might want to change the sound source to system. I don't know if I click on record, it's going to stop this, but I'm going to go ahead and record the screen, and I will come back and show you how to actually apply it after you record your video. So now I've finished recording my screen. So I'm just going to close out this project and open a new project. Let's click on new project to import the screen we just recorded. If you look here, it's in portrait form. What do I mean? If we go to the aspect ratio down here, what we want to do is to put it into 16:9. And we click on the video and we expand it out. Now we'll slide down the part of the video that is the screen. Now you want to take it to the side so you can be able to measure with these places up here and down here, that your video is clearly positioned. If you look, as is well positioned. So I'm just going to slide that here and position it to the top. Now I have positioned my video. I would play it so that I can know where it started. Let me play the video. You see it's still for a while.
Hi.
So I will tell you why I left it to be that way. So if you click on screen recording, you don't need to play your video first before you screen record. You first click on your screen recording and be sure your screen recording has the recording. Then what you will do next is to play the video so it can caption it correctly. So I'm just going to cut out this part that my screen recorder was silent. I'm just going to take it out and
Hi, kids.
so I'll take this out. I'm going to click on this video and extract the audio because it seems the mouth on the video is not working at the same point. So I'm just going to quickly extract the audio from this video. Let's extract the audio. I'm going to go back and cut out the audio a bit because the audio and the mouth needs to sync. I'll click on the audio, but it's not usually the case for all screen recorded videos. The ones that I do, the audio and the lips are syncing correctly, but I don't know why this one is different.
Hi, kids. I'm Milo the mouse. Squeak, squeak.
You see that? I'm just going to... You might say, is this all the trouble you're going to go through to just export the video?
Hi, kids. I'm Milo the mouse. Squeak, squeak.
Yeah. So if you've not had issue with paying for subscription, you might want to go through this pain I'm going through to align the audio with the mouth. So that's for some people that will screen record and the lips is not syncing with the audio. This is how you do it, but not in every case is that the lip will not sync with the video. I've done most of this This is the first time I'm experiencing the lips not syncing the video. So for those of you who would experience it, that's why I took my time to do this part of the video. So once you're done and you're okay with how your video is playing, come over to where it says 1080 by 1080p and click the drop down and take your video resolution to 2K 4K resolution and take the frame rate to 50. This is what I do to my own video. And if you click on export, it's going to export this video. But if you're using a low range phone, just like on my phone, the ROM size is 128 gig. This video will not show the...
Kids, I'm Milo the mouse. Squeak.
But when you upload it to YouTube or wherever you're going to upload the video will play correctly. But on your phone, you will not be able to see what you've done. So this is how I export mine to upload to YouTube. I export it in this resolution and frame rate to upload to, because I already know what I'm done is okay. But for the purpose of this tutorial, to show you what we've done, for you to see that we actually exported our video, let's go back. And I'm just going to quickly change the cover of this video. It has selected this cover and I'm just going to hit on save. I'm not going to export in 2 so that we can be able to see the video whether it exported correctly or not. I'll leave it as 50 frame rates because it's going to play. And did you notice that the Pro is no longer here? Because we're not using a Pro feature in our design. So when I hit on export, you see that the cover showed. This is the cover we chose when we were exporting our video. Now it's showing. So let's play the video and see if it's...
Hey, kids, I'm Milo the mouse. Squeak, squeak.
You see that this is how you export your project. That if you're having difficulty like me paying for a subscription, or you're not able to pay, or you just want to use the tool for free, this is how to work around it. I hope this video helped. Like this video if you got value from it, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and do have a good one.